Hi guys, hello from Finland and welcome to Finnish language lesson number 9. I haven't been doing videos with landscapes, seascapes and cityscapes because we're having currently a very grim weather. It's almost always dark and gloomy, it's not a good weather to, for making videos about Finland. The dialogue in this lesson is read for you by a native speaker, and I just provide explanations to the dialogue. So, let's get started.
Hei. Moi. Anteeksi, onko täällä Suomen kurssi? Joo, on. Kuka sinä olet? Minä olen Katja. Entä sinä? Olen Julia. Hauska tutustua. Kiitos samoin. Hei, Paola. Mitä sinulle kuuluu? Ai hei Julia. Kiitos, minulle kuuluu hyvää. Entä sinulle? Ihan hyvää, kiitos. Kuka hän on? Hän on Katja. Hei Katja, kuinka vanha sinä olet? Terve, olen 27. Katja ja Paola, opettaja tulee.
You just heard a dialogue. In this dialogue we have 3 characters, Julia, Katja and Paola. They come to a Finnish course, to the classroom, and they say hello to each other. We have 3 words here, 3 ways of saying hello in Finnish. They are moi, hei, and terve. So the first phrase in this dialogue is Katja is saying, anteeksi, onko täällä Suomen kurssi? This means, excuse me, is it a Finnish course? But I'll try to explain to you. Anteeksi means literally, excuse me. Onko means, is it? Täällä means here. Suomen kurssi means Finnish course. So as you can see, instead of is it, she is saying is here, a Finnish course. Julia replies, in Finnish it's Julia. Joo on, kuka sinä olet? That means yes, it is. Kuka sinä olet means who are you? Joo is an informal way to say yes. On is, kuka is who, sinä is you, and olet are. Kuka sinä olet? Who are you? Katja replies, minä olen Katja, entä sinä? Minä olen Katja means literally I am Katja. Entä sinä? And you. In Finnish, normally and is ja, but in this context, when you say and you have to say entä sinä. Julia to Paola. Hei Paola, mitä sinulle kuuluu? Julia is saying, hi Paola, how are you? In Finnish, how are you? If you're talking to one person, that means singular, not plural. You say, mitä sinulle kuuluu? Literally, that means, what is going to you? But we are not translating it literally. We are saying, how are you? So please just memorize and remember, mitä sinulle kuuluu? How are you? Paola replies, ai hei Julia, kiitos. Minulle kuuluu hyvää, entä sinulle? So Paola is saying, Julia, thank you. I'm good. And you? We already met this word entä in this dialogue above. Entä sinulle means and you. Julia replies, ihan hyvä, kiitos. That means very good, thank you. Then Paula asks about Katja. Kuka hän on? That means, who is she? Julia replies, hän on Katja. She is Katja. Paula greets Katja saying, hey Katja, kuinka vanha sinä olet? Hi Katja, how old are you? Hey Katja, it's clear it's hi Katja. Kuinka means how. Vanha means old. Sinä, you. Olet are. So, kuinka vanha sinä olet? How old are you? Please memorize. It's a very useful phrase. Katja replies, terve, which means hey, hi. Olen 27. I am 27. Then the teacher is coming and Julia says, Katja ja Paula, opettaja tulee. Opettaja tulee means the teacher is coming. Opettaja on teacher, tulee is coming. I'm sorry I forgot to explain to you two very important short phrases. When someone is saying, hauska tutustua, that means glad to meet you. And the other person is normally saying, kiitos samoin, which means literally, yes, the same. So I'm glad to meet you too. Let's repeat them. Hauska tutustua. Kiitos samoin. This was lesson 9, Finnish language, lesson 9. I'm going to structure our future lessons like this. All dialogues will be read for you by native speakers, and I'll be just explaining the meanings. And I suggest that we'll go ahead like this. You'll be listening to dialogues, hearing my explanations, and memorizing those dialogues or phrases from dialogues. In my opinion, it's the best way to acquire, not to learn, to acquire a language. So I want your feedback. Please write your opinions in the comments under this video. What would you like to know about Finland? What would you like regarding the Finnish language lesson? How should I structure them? What topics are interesting for you? So, and vote for this video with your likes and dislikes, and thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again on Hello from Finland. Bye bye.